Most men do not fail because they are weak. They fail because nobody trained them to be strong, and you can feel it in small moments. You walk into a room and your chest tightens. You want to speak, but you wait. You want to say no, but you smile. You want to lead, but you ask for permission. Here is the truth. Confidence is not a feeling. Confidence is a reputation you build with yourself. Right now, you do not fully trust you, because you have a history of quitting, a history of delaying, a history of saying tomorrow and meaning never. So let us fix it the only way that works. Not with motivation, not with a speech week training. For the next 30 days, you are going to do one thing that changes everything. You are going to stop negotiating with your weaker self. That voice inside your head that says, just this once, just 5 more minutes, just one more scroll, just one more excuse. That voice is not you. That voice is the part of you that wants comfort more than respect. And every time you obey it, you teach your brain a dangerous lesson. I do not keep my word. I am not the kind of man who follows through. Now, here is the shift. For 30 days, when you decide something, it is done. No discussion, no debate, no dramatic buildup, just execution. You wake up and your body says stay. You stand up anyway. You plan to train. You train anyway. You plan to make that call. You make it anyway. You plan to stop chasing approval. You stop anyway. This is how real confidence is built. Not by thinking you are powerful, by proving it to yourself in small, painful, boring moments. Because discipline is not a personality trait, it is a skill. And skills are built through repetition. Now, let me make it practical. You need 3 non-negotiables. Small, clear, daily. First, non-negotiable. 1 hard physical action every day. Not because of your body, because of your mind. A cold shower, a run, a workout, a long walk. Anything that forces you to face discomfort on purpose. Second, non-negotiable. 1 focused block with 0 distractions. 30 minutes, minimum. Phone out of the room. No music if it makes you drift. Do the thing that moves your life forward. Work, study, build, write, apply, create. Third, non-negotiable. 1 act of self-respect. This is the part most men avoid. Say no to something you usually tolerate. A conversation that drains you. A friend who only calls when he needs something. A habit that makes you feel smaller afterward. A place you go just to be accepted. You are teaching your nervous system a new identity. I do not beg. I do not chase. I do not shrink. And now, something important. People do not respect you because you want respect. They respect you because you respect you. They can feel when you are trying to earn it. They can feel when you are afraid to be disliked. They can feel when you are performing. The strongest men are not loud. They are certain. And certainty comes from a simple fact. I can rely on myself. This is why many men look confident in public, but collapse in private. Because their public image is a costume, and their private habits expose the truth. So do not aim for a vibe. Aim for a record. Stack proof. 1 day of keeping your word is not impressive, but it is a start. 7 days changes how you think. 14 days changes how you feel. 30 days changes how you walk into a room. Because now you are not hoping to be strong. You are trained, and when life hits, you do not panic. You do what you practiced. That is masculinity. Not aggression. Not ego. Reliability under pressure. Now hear this clearly. Your future is not built by your best days. It is built by your average days, your boring days, your tired days, your days when nobody claps. That is where men are made. So if you feel stuck, stop asking what is wrong with you. Start asking this. What do I do every day that proves I am not serious? Then diletti Italiano for 30 days. Stop negotiating. Stop bargaining. Stop trying to feel ready. Do the work. Keep your word. Become reliable. And one day, you will look back and realize something scary and beautiful. You were never broken. You are just untrained.